Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Moto G5 Plus. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Next variant is priced at 17,000 rupees for just 6GB of RAM. Currently I'm using the 4GB RAM variant in this video. Moto G5 Plus sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Moto G5 Plus was 3 seconds faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro. That's not a huge number, but considering Redmi has a better spec CPU, Moto still did an awesome job. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. By the way guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro used in this video is a brand new phone. Except for the speed test apps and some other games, there isn't anything on this phone that's running in the background. Whereas Moto G5 Plus is my friend's phone and there are apps running in the background like Snapchat, WhatsApp and some 20 other applications. So let's see how they perform. So guys, the speed test was almost a tie for the most part, but if I had to pick a winner, Moto G5 Plus was faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro, at least by few milliseconds, at least for most of the apps. So in the speed test, Moto G5 Plus is the winner. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. Memory management is really good on both the phones. Yes, Redmi hold more apps in memory, but Moto was able to keep almost 12 applications in memory even though it's a regularly used phone. So in the memory management test, it's a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.